You wouldn't believe it if I told you that there is a straightforward approach to earning $320, and by simple, I mean that 95% of the work is done for you just by clicking a few buttons. After that, you may start earning up to $3,000 every day, 7 days a week. The website that I will be sharing with you is entirely free, and there is no need to make any financial payments. This approach is also accessible around the globe, so no matter where you are in the world, this opportunity may interest you. Don't pass up this opportunity to earn money online from the comfort of your own home. So be sure to watch this video from beginning to conclusion so that it may lead you along your money-making path. Is there anything more you want to do? Please take out your gadgets because we are about to start a lesson that will change your life. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? Kickbooster is the name of the website shown in today's video, and it will assist you in earning money completely on autopilot. Kickbooster.me is a website where you may learn more. The website's homepage states that it provides software solutions for crowdfunding producers. What is Kickbooster and how does it work? Kickbooster is a branch of Bold Commerce committed to developing the most powerful and practical solutions to assist project creators in bringing their ideas to life. With the assistance of affiliates, it is a market bursting with various projects that creators may advertise on their own. We will accomplish just that today, and we are excited about it. Pay close attention to this section since the registration procedure may be complicated. Once you've arrived at the website's homepage, hover your cursor over the Users button. You'll be presented with a variety of user options to pick from. I want you to choose the Affiliates button. Clicking on the link will lead you to another page where you may learn more about the approach that we will be using. When you decide to become a Kickbooster affiliate marketer, you just establish unique affiliate links to your favorite projects. You will be compensated for each successful pledge that comes via your link. There are just 4 simple steps to being an affiliate marketer on Kickbooster, and they are as follows. Never fear, you will not need any specific abilities or expertise to do this task successfully. Anyone may complete the steps in a matter of minutes. Registration for an account is the first step that has to be completed. It will take around 2 minutes of your time to complete this task. On the other hand, the second step essentially instructs you to browse through various project categories that you may share and earn money from. As for the third step, you can help to spread the word by creating your affiliate link and posting it on social media platforms. As a reward for completing the fourth and last step, and I know this is the step that everyone looks forward to the most, you will get a commission on every pledge that originates from your affiliate link. You do realize how easy this is, do you? Now let's go on to the registration procedure. In order to get started, just click on the purple button, which will direct you to the register page. You just need to provide your name and email address in this field. Make sure that you have your PayPal account handy before proceeding any further. And this is because this website accepts PayPal as a payment mechanism. For their referral code, leave the field empty. Don't forget to key in your password and confirm it. After which you must agree to their terms of use and privacy policy by clicking on this box. Once you have completed all of the steps, just submit your information. Please remember to use the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying this video. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? If you've completed the registration process, the next thing I want you to do is to go to the marketplace and search for projects. Once you've arrived at the marketplace page, you'll be able to view a variety of projects and campaigns that you may promote and share with others in order to make a substantial amount of revenue. I was hoping you could pay close attention to this section because I will be discussing with you the categories that will allow you to earn a lot of money on the Kickbooster in the near future. I want to start by telling you that the first thing you should do is visit the category area, which can be located on the left-hand side of the screen. There are a variety of categories to choose from, including beauty and personal care, design, education, daily carry, fashion, and many more. It's crucial to remember that while you're just starting, it's best to concentrate on one area at a time. You may select from 3 different categories: design, health and technology, among others. Simply choosing one of these 3 categories can assist you in earning a substantial amount of money. They will automatically filter the marketplace for you, and after you have completed your selection of buttons from the drop-down menu. Organizing the marketplace is the second piece of advice that I can provide you folks, is selecting the results according to a high to low regarding the commission. The most lucrative campaigns are now shown on your computer screen. Now, these campaigns will assist you in generating a large number of commissions, which will result in you earning more money. Isn't it incredible? For example, I will be advertising a campaign as an example. In this instance, we will present a cutting-edge technical device known as 4G GPS tracker. It is possible to view how much money has already been produced by advertising this campaign on the right-hand side of the screen. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this product's page, you will be able to view additional information about how it operates as well as its selling price. In this case, if someone purchases this product using your affiliate link, you will get a 10% commission straight from the product's selling price. It's really that easy. All you have to do is share your unique affiliate link, sit back and relax, and then spread the word to everyone in the world. If you've already determined that this is the campaign that you'll be promoting, just return to the marketplace and choose the Boost This Campaign option. Once you return to your dashboard, you will be able to view your referral link, which you will need to share with others in order to earn a large amount of money. Now that we've completed the process of obtaining our affiliate link, the following step is to actually share the link on the internet to increase our exposure. I'm going to teach you a Quora tip that can help you earn a lot of money. So go to the Quora website and join up using your Google or Facebook account to begin right away. The good news is that this network is really dependable for affiliate marketing. You can advertise your link simply by responding to other people's articles on this site, or even better, by creating your own postings. This will almost always result in more commissions than just responding to other people's postings. Just remember to look at the areas that deal with technology, such as wireless connections, lost and found, and so on. In order to make your Quora post much more intriguing, you can see the button in your Kickbooster dashboard that says Download the Media Kit. On the other hand, this media kit is handy if you want people to view the genuine product to be attracted to purchase via your affiliate link. Remember, the more exposure people have to the goods, the more likely they will buy them. Another approach would be to make use of the Facebook platform, which is much more convenient. Many of you have Facebook accounts, so this will be much simpler for you than it would have been otherwise. I want you to do a search on Facebook for technology enthusiasts and identify groups where you can promote your affiliate link to them. Remember, the greater the number of participants in the group, the greater the number of people who will notice and click on your affiliate link. You may post your affiliate links on Quora and Facebook for increased earnings. I promise that you will get a higher income due to doing so. Wishing you a successful click. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos.